Hi everybody, welcome to Cedar Creek RC. John here. We're going to do an unboxing and I think this is going to be really cool. Something new from Fair RC and Batrazzi. I'm not sure how to say it, but let's open the box. See what we have. Oh no, right there on top. Cool, I got an ink pen. Don't have one of those yet. Didn't know that was coming in it. Hope they meant to send it. We'll start with the tires first. These are what they're calling the Mud Boy tires. Oh, they are super sticky. But they kind of have a cool tread pattern. They are super wide though. In a little while I'll show you what all this is going on. But I've been waiting for this release for a long time. Not a long time, several months. If you grew up in the 90s, I think you'll be excited about these. Oh. And this is what they are. The Batrazzi Stellar tires. They're aluminum. Have brass rings that go with them. Don't know if, I think they're directional too. Yeah, that one and that one. Let's find out. It'd be so cool if they were directional. Oh, that's cool. All right, so on the back of them, I don't know how well it's going to show up. Try to see if it's showing up. Yeah, there it is. They have an A and a B. So your A is going to go on one side and your B's are going to go on the other side. I mean, these, they just look awesome. I mean, they are beadlocks, so that's a plus too. Can't tell you how happy I am about these. Of course, you have all your hardware. And you have little center caps that go on them. We'll go over it all once I get them put on. And once I get them all put together, probably just do a quick time lapse of putting them together. These are so excited for these. I'll go ahead and show you how to put one together, but all the screws are the same size, so put your center ring in first, kind of spin it and get it flattened out how you want it. And the tires are not directional, so you don't have to worry about that. I mean, that's a big tire. I mean, that is wide. I think it's going to look good on what we're going to put it on. Let me grab my tool. It's a 1.5 millimeter screw, or that's the tool you're going to need. I don't know if the hub, or I don't know what you want to call it. I think that might replace your wheel nut. We'll find out in a minute. But that is the wheel put together. I really like the way it looks, but it is super wide. This is an Endura tire compared to, I mean, say it's a millimeter wider, maybe not, but it looks a lot. I mean, it looks substantially wider, but I will do a quick time lapse, get all these other ones put together, and then we'll be back. We're back. Got all 4 wheels and tires put together, and this is what they're going on. Sorry for all the mess in the background. I got excited, didn't clean anything up. That's the wheel hub, wheel nut. So we're going to get them put on and see what it looks like. The tires are a lot smaller. Not tires, the wheels. I think these are 1.3 wheels that come factory on this. And I don't know. It's got some. Let's see how it looks. It's got some O-rings. I don't know if they're supposed to go with these wheels, with the wheel nuts or not. I think maybe they are, but not 100% sure. But I think these wheels, I had these same wheels in the 90s on a 96 GMC truck. I haven't even driven this truck yet, but man, that right there, that looks freaking awesome. I love it. I love it so much. I think that was the A's or the B. I don't know. Just match your tires up or your wheels and tires up. Make sure you have both A's on one side and both B's on one side, because they are directional wheels. It's going to look silly if you have them going two different directions. I don't even have batteries in the remote transmitter for this yet. The Batrazzi and FMS are coming out with some really awesome stuff. That's it. It's pretty simple install. You know, if you've done tires before, they're pretty easy. They're not, and they don't have all the screws like normal beadlock. Like I always do, I'll take my container. I don't know if you can see it. And I'll put all the extra screws, and I'll find me another something. Put the stock wheel nuts back in it. But man, this thing. I love the way it looks. Tires are shorter, not a whole lot shorter. Gotta find some batteries. I think everything I have out here is AAA or AA. I don't think I have any AAA batteries. Give me just a few minutes, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find some batteries, and then we'll just do a little bit of running on this. All right, we're back. We're just gonna try this. It's not a still working on my course, so don't judge. It is a very long vehicle. I don't know if it's gonna make it down into the pit. cool. This thing has all the light functions. Didn't know that. I guess I could have done a review on the truck, but that's it for today, guys. Tires are very sticky. I have to clean those up. Where I'm working on my course, I got all kinds of junk on it. Inside's really dusty, but that's it. I think they look great. I'm really pleased with these. But that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Do all things. Comment on what you think about these wheels and tires, even though I got them a little dirty. But again, I appreciate everybody. And everybody stay safe and have a great day.